Hi students, welcome back to our class of math, SAT math. We are really sorry that we are starting a little late today because of heavy rains in Hyderabad and all roads locked. But still, anyway, we are starting now. So we have started quadratic equations yesterday and we were solving them. The problem solving was going on, and today we are going to do quadratic equations and inequations, the leftover part of equations and inequations. So let us see what is there. So here in the quadratic equation above, p is a constant. What is the solution for x? So now x is what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the formula. Otherwise, I said as far as possible I will go for factors, but if you see here, so complicated. So therefore, I will not go for using factorizing method. I will go for solving equations through formula. That is always easy in these type of typical conditions. So x equal to minus b means minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 2 whole square minus 4ac p minus 1 into p plus 1 by 2a. So that is 2 plus or minus root of 4. If you take common, you will get 1 here, minus of, this is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square by 2 into p minus 1. So you can take 2 common in numerator and denominator, that cancels denominator 2. So you will be getting root of 1 plus 1, 2 minus p square by p minus 1. So this is the solution. So you have 1 plus or minus root of 2 minus p square by p minus 1, option A. Please note it fast, quick children. This is the formula used. Take the screenshot so that we go to the next question. Okay children, let us go to the next question. So look at this. X plus y whole square is 324, x minus y whole square is 16. What is the value of xy? See, we know clearly a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So if you subtract these two, minus, subtraction, not plus, equal to 4ab. So you want ab divided by 4. So this is the thing. So here you have x plus y whole square and x minus y whole square. So you want ab. So that means xy you want, xy is nothing but 324 minus 16 by 4. So this is 24 minus 16 is 8, 308 by 4. So this is 7. So this is the final answer, you get it? So please note it fast, quick. What I put in the box, that is the formula. So let's move to the next question. So please take screenshots. Let us save time and proceed further. So look at this. Equation 1, 2x square plus 7x is 4. Equation 2, y minus 1 whole square is 9. If f is greater of 2 roots of equation 1 and g is lesser of 2 roots of equation 2, means bigger higher root and other one is smaller root. What is the value of product of f into g? So children, it's very simple. Now you find out factors for this. okay, you are getting x equal to half and x equal to minus 4. So, greater of those two is half, okay, that is selected, that is selected. Next, that is f. Now, g is what? Smaller, lesser or smaller of two roots of this. So, you can take y minus 1 whole square is plus or minus 3, root 9 is 3. So, y minus 1 equal to plus or minus 3. So, y minus 1 is 3 is one thing and minus 3 is other thing. So, you takes lesser one, this is the lesser one. So, minus 2. So, selected, this is g. So, f into g is half into minus 2, that is minus 1. So, which is option B. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, children, please take screenshot so that we save our time and use it for the next question. Yeah, so let us work on wherein you feel more comfortable with the problem solving. So, if whatever method I am teaching, I do not say that that is the ultimate method, because mathematics problems can be solved by many methods. Each problem will have plenty of methods. So, you find some other new method, and if that method is shared for other students also, will be very happy. But only for idea purpose we will be solving in some techniques or using some techniques or methods. If anyone finds a better method, you are most welcome to share this in our chat. So, let us think and move in that direction so that every student is benefited, and you are also benefited because you are trying to find some new methods, innovative methods which will help all the students who are taking the SAT test. So, now look at this. X square minus 63x minus 64 equals 0, and p and n are integers such that p power n equal to x. For which of the following cannot be a value of p? P and n are integers, he says, p power n equal to x. Okay. So, if you take this, the factors are this. Okay. You know the methods of factorizing. So, x equal to 64 and x equal to minus 1. So, that means p power n equal to x means p power n is 64 and p to the power of n is minus 1. So, now he says p and n are integers, p and n are integers. So, if you look at this, either 8, minus 8 or minus 1 should be p. So, n is an integer, p is an integer. So, this is integer and this is also integer. So, both are integers. So, p power n equal to 64 should be true, or p power n should be minus 1 should be true. So, now if you look at this, if p equal minus 8, first option, minus 8 to the power of 2 is 64. Minus 8 is an integer, 2 is also an integer. Now, if you take second option B, minus 4 to the power of n is 64. So, here minus 4 to the power of n, 64 means what? You are getting positive. So, 4 cube is 64. So, therefore, this is not possible. This is not possible. Now, so which is cannot be, he said. Cannot be, he said. So, therefore, this can be a possibility because you have p power n is minus 1. So, minus 1 to the power of odd number, maybe 1, 3, 5, 7, all those will be minus 1 only. So, this is also true. Plus 4 it is possible because 4 cube is 64. Therefore, only possibility that cannot happen is minus 4. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, please note it quick so that we go to the next question. So, this screenshot, children, I am always repeating, please take screenshot so that you save time. But of course, even after taking screenshot, even if you don't take screenshot, you will find all this content in our portal. So, if you can, if you are if you have enrolled and you have done all the formalities, then you will get an access to the portal and you can see all the solutions, daily lectures, everything you find there. Okay. So, this we have already discussed. So you can take screenshot of this also so that we move to the next question. Right, children? So it should not take more than 3 to 4 seconds to take a screenshot. Yeah. Now you look at this. For all real numbers x, let the function g be defined by g of x equal to p of x minus h whole square plus k, where p, h, k are constants with p comma k greater than 0. Which of the following cannot be true? Which of the following cannot be true? So now, if you look at this, if you are starting with choice C, g of 0, what is g of 0 equal to how much he gave? Minus 2. So g of 0 means what? X means 0. P of 0 minus h is minus h whole square, means p h square plus k. So this is what you will be getting, p h square plus k. So now p is positive, k is positive. So h square is also positive. H may be positive or negative, it does not matter. Whole square is always positive. Positive into positive is positive. Positive plus positive is also positive. That means this is greater than 0. That is greater than 0. So therefore, this minus 2 means g of 0 we are getting positive here. But he says minus 2 negative, which is not possible. So cannot be possible is this. See, of course, if you have practice, you can identify directly. See, here we have gone directly with choice C or not. Then why did I go to choice C? It's only practice. The knowledge you gain by repeated practice. So if you want to identify, you need to have practice. Otherwise, you will have to check with A, then you will have to check with B, you will have to check with C, and if C is also not right, then you will go for D, like that. So if by chance you have 1 as the option, then your work is done easily. If D is the option, you have wasted a lot of your time. So therefore, please be have practice so that you save a lot of time. And children, one secret I will tell you, you just check any of the question paper. Please don't share this with other institute students, because I want Turito students to be gained. Later on, of course, that's a separate thing, because you are taking tests now, so you should also be gained. So later on, if you tell the secret to others, it doesn't matter for me. But presently, you should be gained, Turito students. Therefore, I am giving you the secret. Generally, option C will be a prioritized answer in any objectives. This is the psychology of question maker and paper setters. So it doesn't mean that 100% C will be the answer. Around 40 to 50% of times, 40% at least will be option C. But please don't take it as a standard gauge. It's only a hint I am giving. Okay, in these type of situations, use this hint of using option C. Okay, that's why I have gone for option C directly without checking to see if that is the answer. Okay, let's go to this question now. So these are all not required now. Okay. See, now look at this question. The amount of water remaining in a certain bathtub as it drains when plug is pulled is represented by the equation L equal to this all. So this all is not a big botheration for me. This quadratic equation is the botheration, where L represents the number of liters of water. So what is that? Let us read the question. The amount of water remaining in a certain bathtub as it drains when the plug is pulled is represented by the equation. Okay. So till here there is no value for problem solving. But only thing that you should remember is water is draining out. That is what is the thing. So L in liters. So water that is maybe left in the tub is that. Okay. And the T represents the amount of time. This T is representing time in minutes. Since the plug was pulled, which expression represents the number of minutes it takes for half of the water that was in the bathtub before the plug was pulled to drain. So you have options, this one. So let us move to the solution now. At time t equal to 0, what is the water thing? You will have 120 total water, means before the plug is being pulled, it has 128 liters. So now he is asking to find out T when L is 64. When L is 64, half of it he said, isn't it? Where did he say? Yeah, half of it. So half of it means half of 128, because at time t equals 0, it is 128. So half of it means 64. So now he should find out what is t when L is 64. So equate L to 64, this equal to 64. Now you should be able to simplify. Take 4 common and minus 4 and eliminate it. So you will be getting t square plus 2t minus 16 is 0. The factors, can you take factors? 4, no. So let us see by using the formula minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if you use this formula, you will be getting it as minus 2 plus r minus root 68 by 2. So if you take 4 common here, 4 out, so you will be getting it as 4 into 17. Root 4 is 2, cancel that 2, you will be getting minus 1 plus r minus root 17. Okay. So the liters, time cannot be negative, the time cannot be negative, this is t. So it should be only root 17 minus 1, root 17 minus 1, right? So please go for this. So here itself we will write, so t equal to minus 1 plus r minus root 17, t cannot be negative, implies t equal to root 17 minus 1. Right, so where is that option? That option is in B. So option B is right. Please note it fast, quick children. This page, if you take screenshot, that is enough. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Anyway, this is all same we have written there. Now look at this question. The figure, so there should be a figure. Yeah, this is the figure. So I like problem solving with figures because it makes things simpler for us. Okay. The figure shows the graph of the function h of x. So this is h of x. Okay. And line segment AB. This is line segment AB, which has a y-intercept of 0, b. This is 0, b, means this length is b units. Okay, this length is b units. How many values of x between j and k? So this is j and this is k. How many values of x between j and k does h of x equal to b? So that means h of x equal to b means what? I will draw a horizontal line like this. So how many values of x are there between j and k for h of x? H of x is this or not? You see, point number 1 it is cutting here, point number 2 it is cutting here, point number 3 it is cutting here, means there are 3 points at which h of x is equal to b. So answer is 3. So you have option B. Please note it fast, quick. See, this is j is this and k is this, like that. So between that you have 3 points that you should understand, right? So let us go to the next question. I think everyone has followed. So it's so simple, easy. When graphs are given, problem solving becomes very, very simple. You can immediately answer orally. Many of the things can be answered orally. So this is over. So same horizontal line we have drawn here. So minus 2x square plus bx plus 5 is equal to y. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above assumes its maximum value at x equal to 2. What is the value of b? Children, either maximum or minimum. If you remember our yesterday's discussion, maximum or minimum is at minus b by 2a and value means either maximum value or minimum value of that quadratic function is 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is what we have done. Please remember these things. Yesterday we have solved this and we have given you the logics, the vertex part. I gave you this vertex part. So, is at x equal to 2 means minus b by 2a. Minus b means what? Let us write directly instead of wasting our time. Minus b means minus, it's b only, okay. Minus b by 2a, a is minus 2 equal to 2 he gave, x is 2 he gave, okay. So, now minus minus gets cancelled, b equal to 8, b equal to 8. So, this is option B. Please note it fast, quick. So, this is not needed because already it is there. So, this may be helpful. This is y. At x equal minus b by 2a, y will be this. Okay. Please note it quickly. Take screenshot, you get everything at a stretch. Right? Okay. We will proceed to the next question. Yeah. The figures show the graphs of the functions f and g. The function f is defined by f of x equal to mod x. Mod x means what? You will have inside when x plus 2 is less than 0, x plus 2 greater than 0, x plus 2 equals 0. 3 cases. Whenever it is absolute form, you will have 3 cases. Look at this. Mod x equal to x if x is greater than 0. That is 0 if x is equal to 0. That is minus x if x is less than 0. This is the logic. This is the logic. Okay. So, graph always, if you are taking x plus a or x plus h, whatever it is, the graph shifts by minus 2 units. So, you see this is the graph you have or not? Minus 2 units it shifted. If it is only mod x, we would have moved around x only, these things. Okay, that is at 0. We would have moved around 0. When x plus 2 is positive, the graph is this. When x plus 2 is negative, graph is this. When x plus 2 equals 0, graph is this. Same thing if it is only x, you would have started from 0 like that. Okay. So, therefore, based on that x plus h value, you can decide, see if it is plus, graph will move by 2 units to the left. If it is minus, graph will move to the right by 2 units, x plus a and x minus a. If it is f of x plus a, the graph moves to the left by a units, means x equal to minus a. So, it has gone this side, minus 2, minus a means minus 2. Now, if x is x minus 2, if this would have been x minus 2, if it is 0, x equal to 2. So, it should have moved to the right like that. So, now, and the function g is defined by g of x equal to f of x plus h plus k. See, this plus k is either moving upwards or downwards. Plus means positive, moves upwards. Minus k, plus k means what? Yeah, this function moves up by k units. Minus means it moves down by k units, like that. So, what is that you will be getting for g of x? H is equal to minus 1 because it has moved to the right, isn't it? So, it is minus 1. H is minus 1, k is 2. H is minus 1, k is 2. So, if using this logic, you see simply I am telling for any functional value, if this constant is outside this part, then it will move either up or down. Positive means it moves upwards, negative means it moves downward. Okay. F of x plus h. So, it is again plus h is there. So, plus h when it is there, it should be positive. If h is positive, it moves left. If h is negative, it moves right. So, that is what we should look at. So, therefore, as we have stated, h is minus 3. How it is minus 3? Yeah. So, why it is minus 3, children? You see, original function is this, isn't it? So, it has moved from -2 to 1. So, how many units it moved to the right? How many units it moved to the right? We are taking 1 is only from 0. This is 1. Okay. But actually, where was this? It was at -2. So, how many units it has moved total? 3 units. As it has moved by 3 units to the right, h becomes -3. H becomes -3. Where is that? Yeah. K, it has moved upwards. It has moved upwards. I said if it moves upwards, we will take it as positive. If it moves downward, it is negative. So, 1, 2 he gave. So, K should be 2. So, now H minus K. So, -3 minus 2 is -5, mod is 5. So, it is option A. Please note it fast, quick. Right. So, I think, did you take the graph sketch? Please take it fast, quickly. This question is also important, isn't it? Quick, children. So, what is y-intercept here? 4. Okay. If he would have asked slope, I would have taken y2 is 4 minus y1 0 by y2 means this is x2, x2 minus x1. So, this would have been 2. So, slope of the line would have been 2. So, if this is +2, this is -2, right? +2 means this should be -2, like that. Otherwise, you look at this, instead of all this, you can also get it here, mx, y equal to mx, m is 2. So, slope is 2, like that. So, you can identify just by observation. You do not need to solve anything, not try, nothing, just observations will give 50% of the solutions, okay. But it is, you should have all the concepts in your mind. See, we are doing quadratic equations and I am talking about straight lines there. So, unless you connect these chapters, you will not be able to solve these things so easily. If I am talking about slope 2, how I am getting slope? I am connecting it with straight lines. What is the concept of straight line? Y equal to mx plus c, like that. So, y equal to mx, m is 2. So, this is how I connect the things and then solve them. So, then things become simple for you. So, I think you have taken the screenshot. Let us go to the next one. Yeah, in the xy plane, the parabola with equation, this intersects the line with equation y equal to n at 2 points P and Q. What is the length of PQ? Very, very simple. So, look at this. Let us sketch it. Let us sketch the graph. So, we did not sketch it. So, let us go for this. So, y equal to x plus 7 whole square. See, where will this x plus 7 be? Suppose, let us say, you are not getting idea. What I said, when it is f of x plus 7, so that will, when it is positive sign here, it moves left by 7 units. That is what you need to understand. So, when x equal to -7, y becomes 0. That is also you can identify. Moves by -7, 7 units to the left, I said, because x plus h is 0, x is -7, like that. So, therefore, the curve will be, if it is -7 here, so 0, the curve will be like this. So, x plus 7 will be the axis line, okay. Now, this is x plus 7, isn't it? Y equal to x plus 7 line. So, when you fold across x equal to -7, these two will overlap each other, okay. So, anyway, now y equal to x plus 7 whole square is like this. Other is y equal to 9. Somewhere here you will get y equal to 9, like this. So, it is intersecting at 2 distinct points, like this, okay. Now, one is P and other is Q, which this is P and this is Q. What is the length of PQ? So, if we can find out what is P and what is Q, we can find out. So, here we know the y coordinate of P is 9 and y coordinate of q is also 9. So I should find out x coordinate. So you look at this x plus 7 whole square. See, I am trying to cut short the length of the solution. So this is equal to 9 he gave. X equal to plus 7 will go to the right, it becomes minus 7. Square when it comes to it, it becomes plus or minus root 9 is 3. So minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10, or minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. So that means this is minus 10 comma 9 and this is minus 4 comma 9. Okay. So these are the values P and Q. What is length of PQ now? X2 minus X1. So 10 minus 4, 10 minus of minus 4, or minus 10 minus of minus 4 mod, or otherwise simply 10 minus 4. I can take anything, either of the ways, it's all same for me. So this is 6. So option is A. Right, children? So instead of lengthier solution, we made it very short through diagram. I think you should be able to understand. See, whenever we are putting a sketch, means we have understood the concept very well. Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, I think you have finished this. Let us go to the next question. Yeah, look at this. Again graph. So I said whenever a graph is there, things become simple. That's why if you see previous question, graph is not taken. So I have solved it using graph. Things become simple for us to identify if graph is there. So now look at this. The graph of y equal f of x is shown. If f of minus 1 is v, so minus 1 means this, no? Draw a vertical line. So this is this one, this point. This is minus 1 comma v, means this length is v units. Okay. So now then which one of the following could be value of f of v? F of v. F of minus 1 is v. Now f of v we should find out. So he says 0, 1, 2 and 2.5. So if you look at this, v equal to f of minus 1. So then f of minus 1 equal to 3 from the graph. You see 1, 2, 3. You are getting this or not? Almost. So maybe diagram is little different. So now if you look at this, okay. So v equal to what? 3. So now f of v he said. He is asking us to find out f of v. So now f of 3 we should find out. So f of 3 is what from the graph? X is 1, 2, 3. So draw a line here. So maybe it is 0, 1, 2, 2.5. So that means this diagram shows the value of f of v is 1. So this is 3 comma 1. So f of v equal to f of 3. So that is equal to 1. So answer is option B. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. I think this diagram gives every solution. Please note the diagram, you will understand. Means take the screenshot of this page. Right. So let us go to the next question. The graph of f of x and y equal to 1 are shown. Y equal to 1 means this line. This is y equal to 1. Okay, that is y equal to 1. How many x values does f of x equal to 1? How many x values? So you see this line, how many times it is cutting the curve is important. That is f of x equal to 1. 1, 2, 3. right? 3 values are there where y equal to 1 cuts f of x. So, there are 3 values of x at which f of x is equal to 1. Okay? So, please note it fast, quick. Right, let us go to the next question. Now, you see again another graph given here. This is price in dollars and this is CDs sold in thousands. CDs sold in thousands. A graph shows number of music CDs sold at various prices. So, at 5 if you take you will get something, at 10 if you take you will get something, at 15 you take you get something. You see at $10 price the number of CDs sold are highest. Okay, that is 300. 300. So, highest is that and the least don't know. Afterwards it is becoming parallel, almost parallel. Okay. At what price should the CDs be marked to sell the maximum number of CDs? So, you have the graph itself shows at what dollars you should sell it to have maximum sale. So, it is very clear you should sell at $10 to have maximum sale. So, the graph itself shows the solution. So, answer is C. Okay. Maximum sale is at $10 per CD. Okay. So, please note it fast, quick. Yeah, let us go to the next question now. Yeah. The figure shows the graph of function f, which of the following is less than f of 1? Less than f of 1. F of 1 means x is 1. So, x is 1 is this. So, here all it is less than 1 or not. This all is f of x less than 1. You see y equal to 1, sorry. Yeah. So, till here it is y is 1 and this is y is greater than 1. So, what is that he said? The figure shows the graph of a function f, which of the following is less than f of 1. This is f of 1. Less than f of 1 is this or not? This all is less than f of 1. Okay. So, he has given f of 0. F of 0 is greater than f of 1. So, f of 3, 1, 2, 3, f of 3 is lesser than f of 1. F of minus 2, this one, greater than f of 1. Okay. F of 3 is over, anyway we have identified f of minus 3. So, here this is also greater than f of 1, like that. So, only option that is left over where f of 3 is lesser than f of 1. So, see children how easy it is to identify if graphs are given. F of minus 3 greater than f of 1, f of minus 2 greater than f of 1, f of 0 is greater than minus 1 and this is f of 1, this line f of 1 is 1, y is 1 isn't it, like that. Okay. Have you copied it? Yeah, let us go to the next question. Yeah, now look at this, another graph. I said graphs are always enjoyable things. That's why if you see my solutions, wherever possible, I'll try to put a graph and then try to solve it. That's more easy for me. Okay. So, now the figure shows the graph of the function g in xy plane. Which of the following are true? So, what is that he says? A figure shows the graph of function g. So, this functional equation is g, that is g of x. Which of the following are true? So, g of b is 0, g of b, what is g of b? Yes, it is 0. G of b means x is b and y is 0. So, which of the following are true, he said. So, g of b equal to 0 is true. G of a plus g of b plus g of 0 is also equal 0, he says. So, anyway, we know that g of b is 0. So, if g of a is minus times g of 0, then finished. So, let us see g of a, when g of a is minus 2. Okay. So, g of 0 is plus 2. That means this is a comma minus 2, this is 0 comma 2. You see, I said if one is minus times the other, then answer is finished. So, if I take g of a plus g of 0, you will get minus 2 plus 2, that is 0, because g of b is already 0. So, 0 minus 2 plus 0 is 0. So, even second option is right. G of a is greater than g of b. You see, g of a is greater than g of b, says no. G of a is minus 2, g of b is 0. Therefore, that is false. So, if you look at this, this is false. So, now option 1 and 2 only. So, answer is C. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. I think you need to note even the previous page. So, please note this. Then we will go to the next page. Quick, take the screenshot. Yeah, children, let us go to the next question. In the xy plane, the graph of the function f is a parabola. Of course, we are doing quadratic equations, so it should be parabola. And the graph of the function g is a line. And the graph of the function g is a line. So, f is parabola, g is a line. Okay. What kind of line we will have to see. The graphs of f and g intersect at minus 2 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 2. There are two intersecting points, minus 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So, which of the following values of x is f of x minus g of x is less than 0. So, children, here when we take the line, how do you get the line? This is very important. You see, the 2 points on the line are minus 2 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 2. Means when x is minus 2, y is 1. Okay? When x is minus 2, y is 1. X is minus 2, y is 1. So, that means the graph, one point of intersection is this. Now, when x is 2, y is minus 2. X is 2, y is minus 2. Means the other point of it, that means the line is like this. Line is like this. Okay. Now, the function f is a parabola, means it is like this. It is passing through this and it is passing through this. Okay. This is the graph of the parabola. F of x minus g of x is less than 0. See, either of the way. So, this way it is possible, and again this way also it is possible. So, what is this? This is a case where a is less than 0, and this is a case where a is greater than 0. This is a greater than 0, and this is a less than 0 if it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So, this will be the curve if it is a greater than 0. This is the curve if a is less than 0. We have taken this graph. So, this is the given graph actually. This is what we are drawing. So, this is like this. So, this is x is 0 and y we do not know what it is because it is not mentioned there. I am not guessing it. So, now f of x minus g of x is less than 0, he says. So, f of x minus g of x less than 0, we should look at that. If you look at this, f of x is equal to g of x here, correct? Here also f of x equal to g of x. So, the values given are this is minus 2 units and x is 2 units. So, 2 comma minus 2, and this is minus 2 comma 1, and this is x is 0, y is 2. So, 0 comma 2. So, these are the values that are given. See, in examination, see here there was a problem because the lines are not mentioned. The lines are not mentioned, but in examination whenever a graph is given, they will give the lines, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, like that. That means you can identify, as we have done in the previous cases like this, it will be mentioned. You see, here it is clearly mentioned, a graphical representation on a graph paper like that. So, here also they should have given these values. So, in the absence of values we cannot identify, but whatever it is, here he has given, that means these are the values, that means they should have been a line here. Okay. Now, f of x minus g of x is less than 0, he says. So, where all it is possible? F of 0 minus g of 0 you take, if you take option C, we are going through options. F of 0 is 2 minus g of 0 is 0. So, 2 which is greater than 0. So, what is that he said? Similarly, you can go for all these things, different values that are given. So, option A satisfies, means what? You look at this, what is A? Minus 3. So, you take x is minus 3, y is 0. So, f of minus 3 equal to 0. Now, g of minus 3, what is g of minus 3? It is somewhere here. G of minus 3 is something 1 point something, between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 means it is, let us take it as 1.5. So, f of minus 3 minus g of minus 3 is 0 minus 1.5. So, less than 0. You look at f of minus 1, f of minus 1 is this. So, this is greater than g of minus 1, it is understood. So, you do not need to find out these values, just observe how to find out. F of minus 3, line is above the curve, line is above the curve. So, curve minus line will be negative. If you look at this, curve is above the line. So, therefore, this will be positive. Third case, 0. 0 means what? Curve is above the line. So, positive. D, 1. So, 1 means here curve is far above the line. You see, this is curve value and this is the line value. Therefore, there is only one case where you are getting f of x minus g of x is negative. So, at x equal to minus 3 it is happening. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. I am writing so that that is minus 1 minus g of minus 1, f of minus 1 is 2, g of minus 1 is somewhere around 0.5. So, now f of 0 minus g of 0, f of 0 is what? 2 minus g of 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 which is greater than 0. D, f of 1 minus g of 1, f of 1 is what, 0 approximately, children. I am not sure whether it is something, or if you take it as this also, I can take it as something around 1 minus 1 you take. 1 minus of minus 1 approximately, that is greater than 0. So, therefore, it is clearly only option A. Okay. Note it fast, quick. See, if f of A value means curve is above the line, then definitely f of A minus g of A is positive. Curve is below the line, then f of A minus g of A is negative. Simple logic, children. So, that is what he has given, f of A minus g of A. So, definitely the curve should be below the line. Where all curve is below the line, you see from here, before minus 2, and after 2, below minus 2, after 2, curve is lesser than the line. Between minus 2 and 2, curve is above the line. Right, children? This is what you need to understand. Take the screenshot, quick. Yeah. So, this is an inequation question. The one what we have solved is like inequation only, you see, right? So, this is what we mentioned. So, this is a problem connected to inequation. Of course, we will be solving more inequation questions, not just few like this. So, let us work on. You see here again another graph is given. The figure shows the graph of the function f at minus 4 comma b. So, this is the point minus 4 comma b. So, we do not know what is b value unless he gives. So, this is minus 4 and y is 0. This is x is 0 and y is b. Graph of function and the point minus 4 comma b for how many values of x between minus 5 and 5. Between minus 5 and 5 means between these two values, f of x is equal to b. So, draw the line, b line, horizontal line. So, this is between minus 5, this is anyway between minus 5, this is 1 point, this is below 5. So, how many points you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points f of x is equal to b. So, option C. Right, children? So, let us take it fast, quick. Right, 4 points. Note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, the graph shows a parabola that is symmetric about the x-axis, means this line. X-axis means y equal to 0. Symmetric means what? Across this line, if you fold the graph, this curve and this curve will overlap over the other when you fold it along y equals 0 line. Okay? Then they are symmetric about this line, about the x-axis. Which one of the following could be the equation of the graph? See, this is the vertex. This is of the form y square equal to 4ax form, parabola. So, generally when the vertex is 0 comma 0, this will be the equation. Vertex is 0 comma 0. When vertex is not 0 comma 0, it will be like this. y square equal to 4ax. So, y equal to y minus k, x equal to x minus h. So, then what is vertex in this case? Vertex is h comma k. H comma k means x minus h is 0, y minus k is 0. If you take, you will get x and y values, that becomes the vertex. So, x equal to h, y equal to k is the vertex, right? If the curve is like this, it is of the form y square equal to 4 into positive a into x. If it is this type of curve, y square equal to 4 into a is negative, like that. A is greater than 0, in both of the cases a greater than 0. So, that is why I am saying minus a plus a. So, this is of the form y square equal to 4ax. So, you see where all you have y square equal to 4ax. So, you have this case, all 4 cases are same, y square equal to 4ax only. But what is the vertex? We have minus 1 comma 0. So, h is minus 1, k is 0. So, what should be the form? Y minus 0 whole square equal to 4a is negative, okay, negative into x. X is x minus of, minus 1 is x plus 1. X minus of minus is x plus 1. So, y square equal to minus 4 means 4 may be cancelled. If this a value is 1 by 4, this gets cancelled or not. So, it does not matter. So, x plus 1, you see this is the one which is mapping this or not, you see. Minus 1, take it to the left, it is plus 1. So, you will get it as y square equal to y square minus 1 equal to x. This is satisfying. So, option D satisfies, children. Please note it fast, quick. Quick. No, just 1 minute. This negative sign minus x should be there, no? So, option C satisfies, children, not D. Just check. Option C satisfies. Please check it. Okay. Negative sign, we missed it. Don't miss any signs like that. See, this is the problem in algebra. Whenever there is a sign neglected or unnoticed, answers will change. You see, both options were given. So, without suddenly we did not notice that negative sign, or we were not keen of negative sign. So, therefore, we got wrong option. It goes wrong. Therefore, please be careful. Options should be checked again and again. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Okay. So, let us go to the next question. Now, what is that next question? Given f of x is this, then the axis of symmetry and vertex respectively are. So, now let us simplify this into a standard form, y equal to x square plus 2x minus 2. So, first bring minus 2 to the left, you will get plus 2 equal to x square plus 2 into x into 1. So, I need plus b square on both sides. So, this can be written as x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. When I add 1 on the right, I should add 1 on the left also. So, y plus 3 equal to x plus 1 whole square. So, this becomes axis. This becomes axis. Wherever you have whole square form, this part becomes axis. So, equation of axis is x plus 1 equals 0. Wherever square is there, underneath that what it is there, that is axis equation. Okay. So, vertex is what? This is 0 and this is 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 and y plus 3 equal to 0. So, you will get it as minus 1 comma minus 3. this is equation of axis and this is vertex. So, x equal to -1 and -1 comma -3. So, option B. Right children, please note it fast, quick. Quick children. Or otherwise you can also get vertex by taking minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is also vertex. Either this logic you can use or this logic you can use. Any of the logics are fine, but ultimately solution should be correct. Okay, please note it fast, quick. Take screenshot of it children, fast. Right, so let us go to the next solution. See, the graph explains it very clearly. Okay, so therefore this is what you will be getting. You can take this screenshot also, it will be very easy for you to understand. So let us go to the next question. Look at this, y equal to minus of x plus 2 into x minus 4. Find the following: sum of x intercepts. A, sum of x intercepts. B, vertex. Sum of x intercepts. So where all it is cutting x axis. So at x equal to minus 2 and at x equal to 4. Sum of x intercept means 4 plus of minus 2. x1 plus x2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So next, what is that he says? Vertex B. Vertex B is minus b by 2a, comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. So this is the thing. So if you look at that, that is y equal to minus of x square plus 2x, so plus 8. So 4ac, so minus b by 2a, what is that minus b by 2a? Is minus 2 by 2 into minus 1, that is 1. 1 or minus 1. Minus b is minus 2 by 2 into a is minus 1. So this is 1. So minus 2x into 2 is minus is plus sign. So this is plus 8. So anyway, we got x as 1. So now 4ac minus b square. 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac is what? 4 into minus 1 into 8 minus 2 square by 4a. Formula, what is formula? Minus b, okay. Yeah. So this is minus 32 minus 4, minus 36 by what is a? We got it as minus 1. So this is minus 36 by minus 4 plus 9. So x is 1, y is 9, and sum of this is 2. So option B. Right, children? So please note it fast, quick. Please remember the formulas. This is very important. If you forget formulas, then you will be struck as we have done just before. Okay. Therefore, please remember formulas correctly and then apply them quick. So if any formula goes wrong, then everything will change. Suppose, actually, what is the confusion? The confusion was whether it is 2a or 4a. So these type of things will change your answer. So that means clearly, now why did I confirm that I did not forget formula and I remembered it correctly? Because you have only 9. If you would have given 1, 18 in one of the options, finished. We would have got confused. That means my confusion would have been more stronger. Means my doubt would have been more stronger. Not confusion, but doubt would have been more stronger, like that. So avoid confusions, children, or doubts. Okay. Next question. Please take screenshot of it. So we'll go for the next question. Okay. So let us go for the next question. So look at this. In the xy plane, the parabola y equal to a into x minus h whole square. What is h? 4. H is 4. Look at the diagram. H is 4. X minus h is 0. Y minus k is 0. So k is also 0. This is h comma k. H is 4. K is 0. So now, and as this is moving upwards, a should be positive. A should be positive. Already he has mentioned, and graph also he has shown. If the y-intercept of the parabola is 9, y-intercept of the parabola is 9. So where is y-intercept? This. This is what he said, 9 he said. Y-intercept is 9, means this is 0, 9. then what is the value of A? Simply h is 4, x is 0, y is 9. You substitute that. So, y means 9 equal to A into x is 0 minus h. Minus h is what? Minus 4. So, A equal to minus 9 by 4. Okay. So, A is negative. Okay. Please note it fast. Yeah, minus into minus 9 by 4, x equal to 9, but this is upward, so A should be positive. Or otherwise you can take this, y-intercept is 9, so you take 4 minus 0, because A cannot be negative. Why it is? A is upward, no, the curve is upward. So, look at this and option will be what? 9 by 4, D. Please note it fast, quick. Yes, children, have you followed this? So, let us go to the next question. Okay. So, this is whole square, children. Yeah. So, that is what we were looking at. So, this is 0 minus 4 whole square. So, this becomes 9 by 16, sorry. See, this type of observation should be very clear. Do not commit any mistakes, because whole square you are forgetting. So, that is why we got it. So, option will be 9 by 16. So, option C. Okay. So, this is the thing. So, this is what you need to observe. Please change your screenshot. This should be 9 by 16. Delete the previous screenshot and take this. Okay. Right. Let us go to the next question. Yeah. The solution of the system of equations, this and this are. Solution means what? See, these type of things I need not solve. Actually, y equal to x square minus 5 I should substitute, then solve it and get the values. Instead of that, I can also, because options are there, I can substitute. See, x is minus 3, so y is 4. If you write x is minus 3, y should be minus 4. So, is it right? No, plus 4 you are getting, not the answer. So, x equal minus 3, y equal 4 is satisfying second curve. So, also check this, if x is minus 2, y is minus 1, wrong. So, minus 3, 4 is right, and x is 2, so y is minus 1, this is satisfied. So, by substitution, both of these points are satisfying this equation. Now, let us check whether these are satisfying this equation also or not. So, x is minus 3 whole square is 9 minus 5, 4 satisfied. 2 square 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is minus 1 satisfied. Both of these equations are satisfied for this over. Now, regular method, let us see what is regular method. So, y is x square minus 5. So, I will substitute y in 2. So, x plus x square minus 5 equal to 1. Bring it to the left, x square plus x minus 6 is 0. This is x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3 comma 2. Y is what? If x is minus 3, y is x square, means minus 3 whole square minus 5, that is 4. So, that means minus 3 comma 4 is 1 point. Now, y equal to 2 square minus 5, that is minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 is another point. So this is the regular method. This is by substitution method. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, students, let us go to the next question. Yeah, this is okay. Now you see y equal to x square plus x, y equal to ax minus 1. In the system of equations, above a is positive. If the system of equations have exactly one real solution, what is the value of a? We should find out the value of a. If what is that he says exactly one real solution. So it has only one real solution. When it is a second degree equation intersecting with 1, so it has only one equation means, one real solution means discriminant equal to 0. Correct or not? Roots are equal. Roots are equal means what? Discriminant is equal to 0. So if you simplify this, x square plus x equal to ax minus 1. So x square plus x into 1 minus a plus 1 equal to 0, discriminant equal to 0, you take b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 1 plus a square minus 2a minus 4 is 0. A square minus 2a minus 3. This is a. So a minus 3 into a plus 1 equal to 0. So a is not equal to minus 1 because he said a is positive. A is greater than 0. So only option is B. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Right, let us go to the next question. Yeah, the function f and g defined by this and this are graphed in the xy plane. The two graphs intersect at the points a and b, a comma b and minus a comma b, a comma b and minus a comma b. What is the value of b? So now we should know what is value of b. So he gave two functions at point of intersections. These two should be same. So 2x square plus 2 equal to minus 2x square plus 18. So at point of intersection, these two curves should have same y value. So 4x square minus 16 is 0, x square minus 4 is 0, x is plus or minus 2. X is plus or minus 2. So a is equal to 2 we got. Now we should get a value of y. Put x is minus 2 or plus 2, it doesn't matter. So y equal to 2 into 2 square plus 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. So b equal to 10. Okay. So b equal to 10. So option C satisfies. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, children, with this we close your today's session. So I would like to bring certain things to your notice now. See, there is a situation in examination hall where you'll sometimes do not get ideas. Do not get ideas. So when you do not get ideas, how to get back the solution into your mind is very, very important. See, whenever a teacher teaches in the classroom, they stress certain words, or they stress certain sentences, or they stress certain formulae or something like that, or something else might have happened. Did you observe what happened today in our lecture? There were two incidences where we deliberately committed an error and then corrected it and brought it to the correct shape. So children, this was done deliberately. See, that was in three cases, sorry. One is sign changes we did not observe, like -4 whole square is 16, but we deliberately committed a mistake and brought back. See, that type of error should not be committed. That should be indication for you where sign change like this and formula. These are the three cases which was done deliberately to make you realize what should happen and what should not happen. Those are the mistakes which generally students commit. So I don't want students to commit any mistake, so therefore I created it and then corrected it. So that please keep these type of errors in mind, that you should never commit such things. And wishing you all the best of luck. Hope to have our lecture next day. But meanwhile, you please practice. Please avoid the mistakes that can possibly happen by a student. Thank you and God bless you all.